Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show how to install Eclipse IDE in our Windows laptop. Okay, so for that I will open the browser. So here I'm using Google Chrome, but definitely you can use your favorite browser. So as soon as you open the browser, I'll write here Eclipse download. Then here you have to click on the first link, that is from the www.eclipse.org. okay, Eclipse downloads. So here you will be able to see install your favorite desktop IDE packages. Okay, so you can simply click on download. Okay, and from here you can click on download button. So this is the latest version, and we can see here our Eclipse executable file is downloading. So let it download. Once it is downloaded, then we'll start the installation process. Okay, so our Eclipse installation executable file is downloaded. So let's go to the downloads folder and see here. Okay, so we can see here this is the executable file. So let's install the Eclipse IDE now. So for that I'll double click on it. So this is Eclipse installer, and here we can see there are multiple options. The first one is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So if you want to make a console based application or desktop based application, okay, then you can go with this. Okay, but if you want to make a Java web application using JSP servlets, then in that case we require external server. So we have to go with the enterprise edition, that is the second one. Okay, so mainly I'm downloading for the Java development. So I'll go with the second one because by using this I can develop like console based application also, desktop based application also, and also I can develop web application. So it's better to go with the enterprise edition. And for other languages also like C, C++, okay, we can use Eclipse IDE. So now I'll go with the Eclipse IDE for enterprise edition. And here we have to select the Java installation path. So here, as I have installed Java JDK 12 in my system, so automatically it came here. But definitely we can select the other Java JDK version also if you have installed in your laptop. Okay, but as of now I'll go with the JDK 22 only, and installation folder is also there. So for the installation folder I'll go with the code with Murad, and here I'll create softwares. I'll select this, select folder. So now this is the installation path. Now I'll click on install, and here you can select this one. Okay, create desktop shortcut. So I'll click on install now. Click on accept now, and now this may take more time. Okay, so be patient and let it install. Okay, so Eclipse IDE is installed in my laptop now. So I'll click on launch button now. So this is the latest version which I have installed here. Okay, so here it is telling to select the workspace. So as of now we can select the default workspace. Okay, but definitely we can create our own workspace where we can create our Java applications. Okay, as of now I'm selecting the default workspace and clicking on launch button. So let our Eclipse IDE open now. Okay, so our Eclipse IDE is open now, and this is the welcome page. Okay, I'll cancel it. Okay, and here from here we can create the Java application. Okay, a desktop based application, console based application, or web based application. So here we have got perspective, open perspective. So if you want to make a simple Java application, okay, console based application or desktop based application, then you can click on the Java perspective. Okay, I'll click on open. Okay, so from here I can create the simple Java project, Maven projects. And if I want to create a web based application using JSP servlet and all, okay, then I have to go with the Java EE enterprise edition. Okay, so you can see here the perspective here, Java EE, and this is Java. So since I have selected Java EE, so here I have got the option called servers, okay, because when we create web application, it requires external server, okay, to run the web application, okay. And here we are getting multiple options, okay, create Maven project, dynamic web project, okay. And also in my previous video I have installed STS, okay. So and I had told like we can install STS in our Eclipse IDE also. So let's see that also now, like how to install STS in Eclipse IDE. So here in the navigation bar we have option called help. So I'll click here and click on Eclipse Marketplace here. So in the top only I got Spring Tools 4. Okay, so we can simply click on install, but if you are not getting this thing at the top, you can simply search here STS 4 and hit enter. Okay, we are not getting here. So if I write here Spring Tool, then let's see. Okay, so if you click on, so if you write here Spring Tool, then you'll be able to see Spring Tool suite. Okay, STS 4, STS 3 also you can see here. Okay, so I'll install STS 4 in Eclipse IDE. Confirm. Then I accept and click on. You can, if you want, you can read this also. Okay, as of now I'll click on I accept and I will click finish. So here select this, trust selected, and here you can see installing software. Okay, so let it install. So after installation of STS, in the navigation bar in here you will be able to see the Spring Boot dashboard. Okay, as of now we are not able to see the Spring Boot dashboard, so that means STS is not installed in our Eclipse IDE. And one more thing, in the similar way we can install Java EE also from the Eclipse Marketplace if that is not installed. Let's suppose in the, if you open perspective here, you can see here Java EE. Okay, as of now click on this and trust selected to install the STS4. Yeah, I was telling, so in here Java EE is present because I have installed Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Edition. Okay, but let's suppose if you have installed just for the Java developer, okay, then this option will be not present. So if you want Enterprise Edition in your Java developer simple Eclipse IDE, then that also you can install from the Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, so as of now our STS is installed in the Eclipse IDE, so that's why I'm getting the option to restart now. So I'll click on the restart now. Okay, so our Eclipse IDE is open now. So we can see here now we got boot dashboard, this option here in the navigation bar. Okay, so that means STS 4 is installed in our Eclipse IDE now. Okay, if I click here, then at below you can see the local. Okay, this boot dashboard option also we got here. Okay, so in this way you can install Eclipse IDE for Java developer. If you want to make a simple application, if you want to make a Java web application, then you can go with the Enterprise Edition. And if you want to make a Spring REST APIs, okay, Spring Boot application, if you want to create, then you can install STS 4 or STS 3 in your existing Eclipse IDE also. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video, and also I hope this video has helped you to install the softwares. If it has helped you in any way, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.